LoRa gateway power on. Place near the router, with the indicator light blinking blue. Press and hold the power button on the robotic mower for 3 seconds until the screen lights up. After hearing power on, press and hold return to charging station for 3 seconds. Assemble the support poles. Secure the support poles in the bracket using metal clamps and screws. Slide the bracket into the slot on the reference station. Secure it with screws. The following scenarios are not suitable for installing a reference station. Ensure there are no obstructions within a 120-degree angle above. Connect the charging station to the reference station using a 10-meter cable. Connect the charging station to the adapter using a 10-meter cable. Insert the adapter's plug into a suitable power socket. The reference station indicator light is blinking blue. Move the robotic mower to the charging station. Ensure the robotic mower is charging. There should be no obstacles around the charging station. Recharging test in progress. Secure the charging station. Add work area. Select the mapping method. Choose to create a work area. Control the robotic mower to the edge of an open lawn and click Start. Walk around the edge of the work area. Drive back to the starting point or click End to complete the mapping. Add no-go zone. Select to create a no-go zone. Control the robotic mower to the edge of the no-go zone and click Start. Walk around the edge of the no-go zone. Drive back to the starting point or click End to complete the mapping. Add path. Select to create a path. Drive to the work area and click Start. Drive to the other work area and click End to complete the mapping.